Hey y'all, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Lex, and we're back to do another general energy check-in. Let's see what's going on with the collective, see what we need to know, what we need to be aware of, what energies we may be in, or, just in the vice regular day. I'm going to jump right in. See what's going on, like creation, feeling really creative, feeling really connected to your emotions, feeling really connected to your spirit guides, connected spiritually, to just really be enjoying the journey that you're on. And the more you connect with your emotions, the more you connect with yourself, the more you understand yourself, the more you understand your intuition, you understand the signs that's in front of you, the more you're able to create, the more connected you feel. Okay, spirit guys. What messages do we have for the collective? Just one card. Companionship. Animals. So this could have something to do with your animals. Somebody could have recently saved an animal. It could have been a bird, a small animal. Like something that had to be rescued in some type of way. Or maybe someone works in one of those animal rescue shelters or something, or volunteering with speak your word at the bottom of the deck, which is good, standing up for something about companionship and animals, but also just again connecting with nature, connecting with yourself, connecting with life in all manner of life. Somebody could be going to the zoo, like a trip to the zoo or something, or if you work with kids or something, y'all could be going to the zoo. Looks like they got on the shuffle. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, Ancestors, Spirit Guides, what messages do we have for the collective? Bottom of the deck, letting go. Transforming situations, places, letting go of things that no longer serve you. Individuality, standing on your individuality. Birds could definitely be significant. You're seeing different types of birds. There's different types of birds in this card. It's all manner of animals in this card, but there's different types of birds. Now you could be seeing cardinals or mourning doves, or just noticing birds that don't normally belong in your area or something like that. There's a warrior at the bottom of the deck. So if this has to do with companionship with somebody will fight for you, somebody is protective over you, or this could just be being protected spiritually, feeling connected spiritually as you step into your individuality, or as you connect more with yourself, with who you truly are. The more you connect more with you, with your individuality, the more this warrior type spirit comes over you. The more you focus on yourself, it's like you have a tunnel vision towards what you're trying to achieve for yourself. Being different. I don't know, I just picked up on Dr. Dolittle. I don't know if somebody just watched that movie recently any of the Dr. Doolittles. That and or I think it's called Doolittle. It's like a movie called Doolittle. I forget the actor name. That was actually a good movie. But let me see. What energy we're gonna be in, or what energy could be around. Speak your voice. You're speaking up on something. If you're like defending something, or if somebody's defending you, somebody's speaking up on something. Or someone, a specific person. Do the right thing is at the bottom of the deck. Perception, integrate, summertime, ice, delivery, business owner, racial tension, flings, fights, police brutality. Do the right thing. Somebody could be speaking up on something, or like an animal of some kind, like rescuing an animal of some kind, something that has to do with, like, I don't know if this is at like one of those rescue shelters, or like somebody come in with like some type of crazy story about it, like an animal, they have to call the cops, and it's just like a lot going on. I don't know. Jay-Z popped out. I don't know if this is some type of animal cruelty, or what. Somebody speaking up on some type of animal cruelty or something. I don't know. I'm hearing dog fights. I don't know what the fuck this is. Like, I don't know what the fuck this is. But you could be feeling like Jay-Z right now at the same time. Stepping into the new you. Making different connections, collaborations, being the founder of something, like making or sticking to the blueprint. Somebody could be retiring, about to retire. Somebody could be hearing stories about somebody like that's about to retire or recently retired. And this person could actually be making an offer to you some type of way, like some type of secret mogul. Like offering you some type of contract of some kind or something, the CEO of something. I don't know where all of this is coming from. It's just different. Okay, be careful of whatever offer comes your way. Any type of business offer, be careful, because this could be dirty money attached to it. I'm hearing dog fights. I don't know why. Like, I'm hearing the kennel, something like I don't know. Like, I really hope not. But be mindful of any type of a business offer and the connections that are tied to it. The organization that it is. It's dirty money out here, a crime family. Somebody is making some type of offer that you can't refuse. Or somebody took an offer that they couldn't refuse, and it is connected to some dirty shit. Biggie Smalls at the bottom of the deck. More money, more problems. Like, more money, more problems. Yeah, they shot themselves. Somebody took an offer that they couldn't refuse. They done signed the deal with the fucking devil, and after a while, they're gonna feel like the outsider, because they're gonna cast them right the fuck aside. Wow. Sade at the bottom of the deck. This is crazy. This is crazy. is like, what? I mean, ma'am, you're sticking to your own. You're sticking to your own path, your own individuality. You could be speaking up about that. You could just don't want no parts of whatever's being offered. And you could be recognizing the signs about that. You could be speaking up about that. Like, you take pride in who you are, your soul, the choices that you make. Your love is definitely, like, not ordinary in any way, shape, or form. So be very mindful of smooth operators, like, for real. Rihanna underneath that, and then the birds underneath that. Like, yeah. Be mindful of offers being made, regardless of what they look like. All money is definitely not good fucking money. Every love offer is not a fucking good one. It don't even matter who they are, like what they're connected to, what they truly fucking do, or how they truly fucking operate. It's definitely not going to lead to anything fucking good. In no way. Like, you're going to end up shooting yourself. Like, I don't know. Like, the more connected you are spiritually, or the more you're connecting with yourself and your intuition and trusting your gut, you're recognizing dirty ass fucking offers that come your way. Official person at the bottom of the deck. You're recognizing dirty ass offers as they come your way. Marriage, yeah. If somebody, be mindful of what you're connecting with, whether it's business or relationship. Privileged lady. It's like, get damn. Like, somebody would offer you the world, but what the fuck? Are you gonna sell your soul for it? It says soul on here. Look, coffin. Are you gonna sell your soul for it? You're gonna end up shooting no. Please don't. Be mindful of the offers. Somebody's gonna receive a message, any type of message, a text message. It could be an email, a job offer. It could be somebody wanting to reconcile. Excuse me, miss. It could be somebody making a love offer, offering to reconcile with you some type of way. It says wedding on here. And then Eminem, it say wordsmith, somebody that's a smooth talker, somebody that has a very good way with words, and they can oh god, they can manipulate with words very, very well. It's very unmatched. Damn. Let's get a couple flashcards and see. We got it. Holy Spirit, let's get married. Yo, listen, somebody's going to try to offer you marriage in some type of way, and it's somebody that you, oh my God, it's like the devil. Come on. It's like the devil. It's like, damn, I really want this, but are you good for me? In the end, will this be good for me? It don't matter what you got. It don't matter what you have. If it's not good for my soul, how the fuck am I supposed to live with myself? And then we got good girl, bad girl with Rihanna. Luxury brand, diamonds. Somebody making an offer that you can't refuse, but it's karmic with the birds underneath it. Look, Britney Spears underneath that. Come on. It's something that will drive you fucking crazy at the end of the day. Like, you thinking that you're going to get something amazing out of this. Cheers, kiss it better. Like, it's like, This shit will drive you fucking crazy if you stick with it. On the run, spiritually or fucking physically. This should say dirty money, boss, crime family. An offer he can't refuse. Payback, wedding, old money. It's the God, like it's the Godfather. Come on. Let's see God's spirit, guys. Look, 1111, soulmate connection. Like this could be something or someone that you actually fucking want or actually truly loved or whatever. This could be some type of summer, but I'm putting this back. Something could have happened over the summer. Look, trust your energy. The Most High speaking through your sensing, that through your senses. That's that connection to yourself, that you trusting your gut, trusting your intuition. Ancestral interference. Like something is going to, like it's going to start and then it's going to stop. It's going to end. Anger, shady, unmatched, blondie, outsider. I just don't give a fuck. Wordsmith. This is Cheddar Bob. With the coffin card, like, come on. Either ending or like a physical, like somebody like offing them, like, come on. Somebody like, I'm gonna say, all of me, eternal love connection. You think we, they think me. So this is somebody who's like very fucking selfish, whatever, like, the things that they do is really to benefit them. It's not to benefit the whole. It's not to benefit us. This shit is crazy. You think we, they think me. Just me. Like, it's like repeated cycles over and over again. And every time, it's like you actually, y'all both could possibly really truly have real genuine feelings for each other, but this is like the connection is really not, if it's not going to be done right, if it's not going to be correct, it's just going to fucking end. Like, it's just going to end. You got faith without works is dead at the bottom. Don't settle for less. Don't. Spiritually, emotionally, physically, monetarily. You got extreme jealousy at the bottom of the deck. Oh, shit. Like, this is wild. Don't settle for less. Like, if it's not something that's good for your soul, it's like standing on your integrity, knowing that you're no ordinary love. You're a natural beauty. You take pride in yourself. You take pride in the things that you do. You're an individual. Like, your connection spiritually is very crazy. Like, you can have like a crazy connection with animals. Like, they like drawn to animals. They always come up to you. They're always not like they do shit that animals don't normally do, like around you. Queen of Swords, Ten of Pentacles. It's like cutting through any clouds of confusion when it comes to people, places, and things. Something fell. King of Swords at the bottom of the deck. Like, you have the ability to see the bullshit from a mile away. And the more you're able to call bullshit on situations and people and places and things, things just manifest more within, like, your life. then you're trusting the Most High, you're trusting your gut, you're trusting your intuition, you're trusting your energy, you're trusting your ancestors trying to speak through you, or the Most High trying to speak through your senses, the things you touch, see, feel, hear. Knight of Coins at the bottom of the deck. Like taking your time day by day, putting in investments and things that you want for your life. Whatever you're working on individually, whatever you're speaking up on. Yeah, whatever you're speaking up on. Whatever you're investing in. This could even be at work. Like you're starting to see the fruits grow, but it's like you have to do multiple things or something. It's like you want to see the evidence of something growing, but you want to see the evidence of something growing, but don't get stuck in it. Don't be stuck in a mental prison about it. It's like a watch pot don't boil. A watch pot don't boil. Could be a need to multitask or something, but it's just also like if you invest in this situation, this love situation, whatever this reconciliation or this fucking whatever this is coming back, it may even have you stuck in your head for a while, not knowing if you should invest in it or not. But it's like you got to think about the future. Where is this going to take me? Where is this going to lead me? Is this good for me? They say the lead on here. Who's the lead? Like, how are you going to lead me to like some good shit? Magician, awakening. It's like, yeah, somebody's manifesting something out here. Or this could just really be you using the tools that's at your disposal, using everything that you have, the resources you have, making magic in your life, using your talents. Like this also could be like with the Eight of Swords and the Magician looking dead at the Eight of Swords. Like this is like trickery. That's just going to lead to judgment. The Awakening card in this deck is Judgment, I believe. Isn't it? I can't remember, but I believe it is. It is. It's number 20. Yes, it's Judgment. Answering the call of the spirit, of your soul. What they say, the divine blueprint, and that was on the Jay-Z card, the blueprint. It's like the divine blueprint, answering the call to your soul. Does this really help me grow? Is this good for me? Checking yourself and seeing where you need to check yourself at as well. Standing up for yourself after a time of reflecting and self-realization of your own individuality. And then standing in your own power and making a choice or a decision, making a judgment call. It's at the bottom of the deck, 10 of Cups. And the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Cups. It's like, yeah. Emotionally, maybe you may be content, but content with that situation, but it's going to be childish as fucking nature. It's going to move fast as fuck. There's going to be a lot of fucking gaslighting, it's like the honeymoon phase, and then it's fucking over. Coughing and Eminem. Don't settle for less is the biggest message. It's the biggest message. Trust yourself, trust your intuition, take pride in the choices that come your way, the offers that come your way. Like, you don't have to talk to everybody. That's what I just heard. You don't have to deal with everybody. So, I'm going to leave this one here, guys. Leave a like, drop a comment, share this message with whoever you think needs to hear it. And I'll be back with another one.